Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it to Bitrue in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, keeping things simple, secure, and straightforward. Whether you're a crypto newbie or have some experience, I'll make sure you feel confident by the end. Let's dive in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and updated to the latest firmware. You'll also need the XRP app installed on your device and a verified Bitrue account ready to receive your funds. Double check that your Bitrue wallet address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have Ledger Live, download it from the official website. Once it's open, navigate to the Accounts section and select your XRP account. This is where you'll see your current XRP balance. Step 2. On your Ledger device, open the XRP app by navigating through the menu and confirming with your PIN. Back in Ledger Live, click on the Send button for your XRP account. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste in your Bitrue wallet address from the Bitrue app or website. Don't forget to add any necessary memo or tag if Bitrue requires it for XRP deposits. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, these might vary, so check the estimated fee before proceeding. Review all the details carefully, then click Continue, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by pressing the right button and verifying with your PIN. Once the transaction is confirmed, it should appear as pending on the XRP ledger. Head over to Bitrue and check your wallet. Your XRP should show up in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your XRP. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Ledger for security, and never share your seed phrase. If you run into any issues, refer to official Ledger or Bitrue support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.